Morning, everybody. This is day 2 of midterm exams 2022-23. And once again, you're going to go to Clever. You're going to find the icon of this little guy. Then, when you log in there, you will see a landing page that kind of looks like this. And from here, you're going to go to take a test. Once you get into that test, you're going to pick this yellow benchmark 2 for day 2. Again, you had access to the reading, so hopefully you took advantage of that. But this is the benchmark exam. So you have two things here. You have a blue thing that should say something about writing prompts, and the benchmark. Day 2 are focusing on this. If you get done early and you were not finished with your writing prompt, you could always go back to that. If you have any questions, you can come see me in the main room. I'm going to put everybody in a breakout room, and there's a help feature in there that you can use, or you can come to the main room to see me for questions. But I will be available to you during the entire time of the exam. After this exam is over, if you need me, message me through Clever. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me after class. So good luck with your exam and have a great day.